Detroit struggles to rebuild vertical bracket photos, ABC News. Now. August jobs report. Remote control helicopter. Hitler bodyguard. Katy Perry. Aaron Hernandez. Robin Thicke. Good Morning America. World News. Nightline. 20/20. This week. Sign in. Home. Video. U.S. World. Politics. Entertainment. Tech. Health. Lifestyle. Money. Shows. Math. World News. Nightline. 20/20. This week. More. Investigative. Money. Good news. Photos. ABC News vertical bracket Univision. Live. Weather preferences. Cancel. Set. Home. Video. U.S. World. Politics. Entertainment. Tech. Health. Lifestyle. Money. More. Investigative. Good news. Photos. ABC News vertical bracket Univision. Live. Home is greater than U.S. Detroit struggles to rebuild. A bankrupt city amidst poverty and blight. Share. 0. Detroit struggles to rebuild. Lawrence Payne walks past two abandoned houses, September 4, 2013, in the 6 Mile Gratiot neighborhood of Detroit. Detroit has an estimated 78,000 abandoned buildings across its 142 square miles. Last month the city declared bankruptcy, the largest municipality to ever do so in the United States. Andrew Bergen/Getty Images. ABC News on Facebook. Point mark at Plisabing point bin left curly bracket overflow, hidden, padding 10 bx 15 bx width, auto, float, left right curly bracket. Sections. U.S. World politics weird news investigative health entertainment money technology travel recipes news topics live blog. Shows. New York Med Good Morning America World News with Diane Sawyer Nightline ABC's The Lookout This Week with George Stephanopoulos 20/20 Primetime What Would You Do? ABC.com Royal Baby. Tools. iPad app register sign in Facebook Twitter blogs emails news alerts message boards RSS headlines. About. Contact us feedback advertising privacy policy interest-based ads terms of use ABC News store site map authors list ABC News vertical bracket Univision go.com. External links are provided for reference purposes. ABC News is not responsible for the content of external internet sites. Copyright 2013 ABC News Internet Ventures. Yahoo! ABC News Network. Back to top. Unregistered software only convert part of file. Read help to know how to register right square bracket.